Daddy a story, okay?
Wolf.
Okay, tell Daddy a story about the big bad wolf.
Tell me a story.
This is Sweet Pig Wolf.
Okay.
Saying words. Has catch me in words. I go camping.
Yeah.
And make camping things. And Sweet Pig Wolf is
Yeah.
in the first in woods.
Yeah, in the woods.
It got one with ears and
Big-
all killers. From up sky.
And
Yeah.
he pulled you up to the sky.
Yeah, I beat everything. We all went up sky
Yeah.
and they soon and so was Big Bad Wolf.
Yeah, come over and tell Daddy. Finish your story off for Daddy.
Hurry up, finish your story.
And then what happened?
So was Big Bad Wolf. Pony and Don and Don was.
Blew Nate into the wood.
To the mud.
No, into the mud.
Into the mud. Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Then what
Then
happened?
what happened?
So was Big Bad Wolf. Boomy and Chico was son.
And tickle him. And then
Until so was Big Bad Wolf.
did Sophie save you?
Yeah. So see me. Mommy saved. Mommy. So we saved. So we saved Nate and your beast. Big Bad Wolf. And you pulled me. It's on mud.
Big bad wolf blew you down in the mud.
Yeah.
And Sophie saved you.
Yes.
Wow.
So see me and Big Bad Wolf and Mommy. Mommy on mother. Okay now.
What about Daddy?
Look at Daddy. Was he there?
Yeah.
What did Daddy do in the story?
Big, Mommy, big Bad Wolf, and Bonnie in the mud.
Is Mommy the big bad wolf?
Sammy, and Sammy.
What did Daddy do?
Let's blow my house down.
He blew your house down.
Daddy blew his house down.
I blew your house down.
Yeah.
Hey. Is that the end?